and I found 100 of buttons. Yes, so I'm thinking of doing an art with the buttons. I don't know so today I want us to do a little fun DIY. So I'm just from the thrift store. I thrifted something that I know I'm going to love. So this is what I thrifted. It's buttons, 100 of buttons, very different type, very different design. And also I have this fly sheet thingy. Yes, so I want to see if I can make a cute art. I have no inspo. I'm just going with my instincts and my creativity to see what I can get at the end of the day. So hi, if you're new here, my name is Reggie. I do all things DIY, home makeovers, and anything in between. So if that is your vibe, don't forget to subscribe down below, like this video, share, comment, all the things that people do. And yeah, let's start with this project. Since I'm still going to frame it, so I'm just going to use this mirror. This is an old frame mirror that I also thrifted, and mark where I want the beads to align. That way I don't get out of line. So yeah. First I'm just going to like sort them out to get the ones that I want to use, then arrange and see the configuration, arrange and see what we are going with. So this is what I have so far, and I think it's going to look great. For you, I'm just going with my instinct. So I just want to, before I glue it, I want to cut the piece that I want, so that now I can glue one piece at a time. So this is what I've settled with. So I'm thinking of painting this and this black, leaving this and this. Then this I will attach it later once I've painted. So yeah, this is the final design that you're going with. Yeah, am I anxious? Yes, I am. But I'm hoping at the end of the day, I should just remove this and have your peke yake. I don't know. I feel like this balances the centerpiece. I'm not an artist, so I'm just going with my brain, So yes, so I'm thinking of doing that. I don't know. We are going with that one. So let's paint, then come back. So I decided to paint the whole thing black, which means it is easier for me to just glue the buttons, then go ahead and paint everything black. Spray paint would have been an easier option, but since I didn't have a black spray paint, I decided to use the paint that I had, which is Gross Finish. This is the one that we mix with white spirit, or thinner. After the paint had dried, this is what we have, and to be honest, I'm so in love. I love it. I love the simplicity. I love how the black and the wooden part come together, and yeah, I just love it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you love to try this DIY, or if you love this DIY, remember to subscribe, like this video, share all the things that people do, and I'll be so happy to see you in the next one. As always, stay curious, stay creative. Bye.